Some of these curls didn't quite curl. So hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I wanted to do a makeup look for dry skin. So I have eczema, so my skin is quite dry and sometimes it's like textured. Today is about 5 out of 10. I have already applied all of my like skincare. I'm going to add a little bit of primer before I add my foundation. The primer that I'm using here is it's YSL Touche Eclat Blur Primer. I don't know if I said that right, but yeah, it's a sample that was given to me when I was at Nordstrom. I'm just gonna rub that in ever so lightly. Add a little bit of Bobbi Brown primer. I mean, not primer, Bobbi Brown eye corrector for my dark circles. I don't have much left, but let's see how much I can get out. How much of a difference that makes. Like, come on, Bobbi Brown, come through. So I want to have a little bit of a glow, so I'm going to use this Lumi Lotion by L'Oreal. About that much. Rub it together. Next, I'm going to go in with my Saie foundation. And this is one of my favorite foundations because it's luminous and it provides a bit of hydration. I believe it has a hyaluronic acid in it. So I use this brush and I'm just going to squeeze out 2 little pumps. A dab each side here. Kind of blend from there. The color match is pretty good. My skin is a little bit lighter because of the winter. So what I'm going to use is this Lift and Conceal by Vanessa Skin, Yummy Skin, just to kind of lighten this foundation up a little bit so that it can match my skin better. Yeah, see, that's better already. I have the hardest time matching foundation with my skin anyway, so now the winter has to come and mess me up once I find a perfect one that matches my summer, springtime skin, and then the winter comes and mess me up. So now I gotta fix that and blend it with other colors, lighter colors to make it work. So now I'm going to go in with my all-time favorite concealer, Makeup by Mario. Like, this is my jam right here. It is also hydrating. It also has like hyaluronic acid in there. It was made specifically for me. Okay, so the nose a little bit. Cover up that mustache. Now that I look like a warrior, let me let this set for a little bit. I do like to spray in between just to keep the hydration going on the skin. Facial spray, just for a little bit of extra moisture. So let's start here. Just blend that. Tap it, tap, tap, tap. I just try not to have like harsh lines, and I'm a work in progress, but we gonna make it. We gonna make it. We gonna make it. Okay, so kind of just want to tap here the same way we were doing before, and kind of concentrate the product in the same area. We don't want it to move too much. Then we want to always blend upwards because we want the face to be lifted. You know, like John Legend, let's get lifted. I need to stop. For the contour, I'm going between this Makeup by Mario one and this Black Radiance one. I feel like the color, this is medium to dark. I feel like the color in this one looks a little bit better. I think this one is a little bit more cooler. I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna go with this one just because it's easier to apply. Around the forehead. I went too far down. And then like that. Under those cheekbones and down. Then I like to get right here a little bit. Sides of the nose. Then like that. Other side is a brush, which I love. A 2-in-1 product. Sign me up every time. So then I just blend towards the hairline. Although I put a little bit too much on here, but we're gonna make it work. So blend up towards the hairline and all the places you put this contour. And then you want to blend this part up. And a sponge to blend out any harsh lines. Let's see, like right there. Okay, now on to the eyes. I'm not going to do too much with the eyes today. I'm just going to put a little brown, reddish color in the crease. See how pretty that is? I love products that are catered to brown skin and of color, because the payoff is just going to be all that and more. Blend, blend, blend. We'll drag that down here. Feel a need to deepen this crease, so I'm going to use Tillbury's the holiday collection color for a little bit of depth to the eye. So I'm just going to concentrate it right here, right in the socket, like that, like so. So now I gotta use that same color, same thing on the bottom lash line. Just to balance everything out. LA Girl black eyeliner, the under. Oh God, look at. I'll fix that in a minute, guys. All right, so now mascara. I use this Makeup Forever with the two sides. One is thicker, one is thinner, like that. So I'm gonna start with this one because I'm using another mascara after this. So to kind of lift it a little bit. This one is about to bring the drama. This is Charlotte Tilbury Exagger Eyes. I like to just comb through it first with this side of the brush. Turn it over and use this side. You can see the difference already. She looking real cute. So I'm using a little bit of cream blush. It's like this deep pinky type color. I'm gonna bring it up like that, like so. Put a little bit on the nose. I'm gonna add my all-time fave setting powder of all time. It is the One Size setting powder. I'm sure you've seen this by now. The color I'm using is Sweet Honey. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of this. This is probably like my third or fourth one today. And I'm just gonna use a powder puff. Sometimes I use a brush, but I think the powder puff, this powder puff just does something for me. So I just kind of tap it in like that. And when it's that much, I tap the extra on the back of my hand like this. See how much came off? Because I want to start with just a little bit. And just look up and softly press in. That way you kind of avoid any creasing under your eye. And that is the goal. The creases around my mouth because they are real. Then I'm going in with this NARS powder blush. What is the color? Orgasm Rush, which is a deeper color than the regular Orgasm. Such a pretty color. So just go in with that. Tap off any extra and go over the blush that was put there. See how pretty? Pretty. Yeah. Nose. Yes, girl. I want to go over the contour with the powder product, so I'm going to use a little bit of powder there. The forehead. Coming together, y'all. It's coming together. Now the product that I'm most excited for today is the Cherry Cola lip look. I've been seeing this all over like TikTok and everything, so I want to try it out. So I'm going to use the same black liner for my lips, I'm gonna line my lips in a black eyeliner. I know. Y'all nervous, but let's go for it. This can go either really bad or really good. I'm gonna use my finger to blend it. I'm gonna use this pencil by NYX. This is a trendsetter dupe. All right, so I'm going with this cherry lip pencil by MAC. It's pretty pigmented, so just gonna blend those together. Okay, so now I'm gonna add this lip gloss by MAC. Let's spray our face. Spray a lot. Fan it till it's dry. Yeah. All right, so this is the final look. Cherry coated lips. I don't know, it's missing something. But overall, I'm happy with the look today, and I thank you guys for tuning into my channel. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share. It helps me in the long run. I feel good when I see that you guys are liking and subscribing. It makes me feel like I did a little something. Thank you again, and peace, love, and hair grease.